Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. In today's video, I will show you how to easily create barcodes in Excel. If you have got a UPC code in a cell and want to turn it into a barcode, this tutorial is for you. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to download and install a barcode font. Here I use a free version font. Open your browser and search for ID Automation HC39M free barcode font. Go to the official website and download the free version. Once the file is downloaded, right-click on the zip file and select Extract. After extraction, open the folder and find the font. Double-click on the font file and select Install. This will install the barcode font on your computer. Now, Excel will be able to use this font to display your barcodes. Now, let's move to Excel. In Cell A, I have some simple UPC code. You can replace this with any UPC code you want to convert into a barcode. To generate the barcode, go to cell B2. Now type an equal sign and reference the UPC code in cell A2. Your formula look like this. Hit enter. Right now it shows as normal text. To convert this into a barcode, we need to apply the barcode font. Select cell B2, then go to the font drop-down menu. Scroll down or type ID Automation HC39M. And select the ID Automation HC39M font that we installed earlier. Instantly, the UPC code is converted into a barcode. Before you are ready to use this barcode, there's one last step. The code 39 barcode requires asterisk sign around the UPC code for it to scan properly. Now go back to cell B2 and update the formula to include the asterisk. Change it to equal sign double quotation asterisk add ampersand A2 again add ampersand double quotation asterisk. Hit enter again and now your barcode is properly formatted. Your barcode is now ready. You can print it, copy it into other documents or even scan it with a barcode reader. That's how simple it is to create barcodes in Excel using a simple formula and barcode font. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thank you.